The BYD Seagull is coming for Europe. While the US keeps Chinese automakers at arm's length with newly announced tariffs to protect its century-old domestic auto industry, Europe is already seeing an influx of affordable EVs from that country. Now we see the debut of one of the most important ones yet, the BYD Seagull, starting at just under $10,000 in its home market. This kicks off today's Critical Materials, your daily roundup of news and events shaping up the burgeoning EV industry. Also in today's newsletter, Tesla slashes Model Y production at the Gigafactory Shanghai in the wake of declining sales and brutal competition. And Lucid Motors cuts 400 jobs as it aims to restructure and reduce costs. Legacy brands in Europe need to brace for impact. The highly acclaimed BYD Seagull, also known as the BYD Dolphin Mini in Mexico, will land in Europe next year. It's not a straightforward path for BYD to sell the EVs at irresistible prices in Europe, as it does in China or Mexico. Despite this, BYD executives are confident that the Seagull will be highly competitive in the European market. The Seagull is a great representation of how far Chinese EVs have come in terms of price and quality. Starting at $9,700, 69,800 yuan, the Mini EV is powered by BYD's cutting-edge blade batteries, available in either 30 kWh or 38 kWh capacities. That's enough to deliver 190 miles, 305 kilometers, and 252 miles, 405 kilometers of CLTC range. Despite the low price, BYD has stuffed it with premium features. It offers a large 10.1-inch infotainment screen and items like cruise control and fast wireless charging. And that means European automakers like Renault and Stellantis will need to pull up their sleeves and make their products more competitive. BYD might encounter some roadblocks from the European Commission, which is investigating claims of large Chinese state subsidies that have allegedly led to unnaturally low prices of EVs like the Seagull. The result of that investigation is expected sometime in July. Regardless of where that goes, BYD aims to blunt EU tariff impacts with localized production, thanks to an upcoming factory in Hungary. Source: reposted and summarized from @insideevs.